Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure. We are here at Letchworth State Park, and this is just kind of wanted to do kind of an extra special video. We had some really cool experiences while here. We went to see the sunrise at Humphreys Overlook.
Yes.
I think the address is 6197. Chuck and Sherry actually told us about that.
Yeah.
I think somebody had told them that that was like the best place to see it, so we went there. Pretty cool, gorgeous,
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. Got
Amazing.
up
Yeah.
4:45
Yeah, 4:45.
to go see it.
About crack of dawn.
Yeah, but we met a couple people there, and they said to head over to the Middle Falls because it was a Friday morning, and they have a Friday morning balloon launch for their rides. So we went over there, got to see a balloon go, hot air balloon go.
They can only tether it because of the weather conditions, but they still set it up. They blew it up, which was pretty cool. I mean, we were only, I don't know, what, 50 feet away from it?
Yeah,
While
I
they're
mean,
blowing
literally
this
like right there. It was
giant
just
thing
neat.
up, and
Yeah, it
that
was really cool.
Really cool.
So we wanted to share that. Also being out there, we got to see the falls, the lower falls, lower falls and middle falls.
No, upper falls and middle falls.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I know, right?
Upper falls and middle falls. But it was awesome experience to see it in the morning if you ever get the opportunity to do that, because just the rainbows and just the beauty of it, and literally, I mean, hardly anybody's there. We were like the only ones out there, you know, a handful of people out there. So definitely do that if you get that experience.
Yeah.
Ever if you're out here. What else?
Well, then that evening we went to Archery Field for the
Balloons Over Letchworth.
Balloons Over Letchworth.
You can see my shirt, Balloons Over Letchworth. Had to support them and buy a shirt, of course. That was awesome. They weren't quite sure if they were going to fly because of the weather and the winds. It was very iffy, but they finally got an opening, I think a little bit after 7 o'clock maybe, to do it. And we're just standing there, and
we were walking around in the field by, you know, where they do all this stuff. And
yeah, it was just right there.
next thing you know, all of a sudden they're all unfurling their balloons and setting them up and inflating them, and we're just standing in the middle of them.
It was kind of surreal because they just all started going up, you know, around us.
Yeah.
And then you'd see one actually lift off and go, and another one's blowing up. Somebody else is unrolling one to blow up.
They're waving to everybody as they're going up and over the trees.
Yeah, it was just kind of surreal. It was really kind of a crazy feeling.
How many balloons do you think there were? There was...
I think originally they had said 20 is what was planned to show, but because of the winds, I know a couple people were leaving before they, you know, they didn't go up. So
still quite a few.
It was quite a few. I mean, probably a good dozen.
Yeah, at least.
So obviously you'll see in the pictures and some video and stuff that, you know, in this. So just really neat experience.
Yeah, and then we ran across the road and watched them all, you know, flying over the gorge and you know, it's pretty cool.
It was cool. So we just want to, like we said, just want to do this extra video because it was such a cool experience and we wanted to share it. And if you ever get that opportunity,
absolutely do it.
Do it. All right. So until next time, we'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll be on the ocean, adios to all things. I'll be on the other side, far beyond the coastline. I know I'll be wishing for what I'll be wishing for, what I'll be looking for. We're far beyond the cold front, but we still keep the chill in the air. We keep the chill in the air. We still keep the chill in the air. I get the chance, I wanna dance. I wanna dance on the fly through the sky like a hot air balloon. Just like a hot air balloon. I ain't got time for all your plans. I wanna dance on the time moves away from you. I'll be on the ocean as I leave the coastline. I don't know when I'm coming home. It's just like every other time. My compass told a lie, and I don't think I went anywhere. I don't think I went anywhere. If I get the chance, I wanna dance. I wanna dance on the fly through the sky like a high close to all things. I'll be on the other side. Far beyond the coastline, I know I'll be wishing for what I'll be wishing for, what I'll be looking for. We're far beyond the cold front, but we still keep the chill in the air. Keep the chill in the air. We still keep the chill in the air. I get the chance, I wanna dance on the fly through the sky like a hot just like a hot air balloon. I ain't got time for all your names. I wanna dance on the moon away from you. I'll be on the ocean as I leave the coastline. I don't know when I'm coming home. It's just like every time, just like every other time. My compass told a lie, and I